Preparing a roof floor correctly is one of the most important steps before installing ceramic tiles, marble, or any other surface finishing. In this video, we demonstrate a professional method for preparing a rooftop floor using a mixture of cement and sand to create a strong, stable, and perfectly level base for tiling. A well-prepared base ensures that the tiles adhere properly, prevents cracking, and guarantees long-lasting durability even in outdoor conditions. Roof surfaces are exposed to different weather conditions such as heat, rain, and temperature changes. Because of this, the floor must be carefully prepared to avoid future problems such as tile detachment, uneven surfaces, or water accumulation. By using the correct cement and sand mixture and applying the proper technique, you can create a solid foundation that supports tiles for many years. In this step-by-step process, the first stage is cleaning and preparing the surface. Any dust, loose materials, or debris must be removed to ensure the cement mixture bonds strongly with the existing surface. A clean surface allows the cement and sand layer to attach properly and prevents weak spots that could later cause damage. The next step is preparing the cement and sand mixture. The correct proportion of cement and sand is essential to achieve the right consistency and strength. The mixture should be balanced so that it is strong enough to support the tiles while still being workable for leveling and shaping the floor. Water is gradually added until the mixture becomes smooth and easy to spread. Once the mixture is ready, it is carefully spread across the rooftop floor. The goal is to create a level and compact layer that will act as the base for the tiles. Using tools such as a trowel or straight edge, the surface is leveled and smoothed to eliminate bumps and low spots. Proper leveling is extremely important because even small irregularities can affect the final tile installation. Another key factor during roof floor preparation is ensuring proper slope and drainage. Rooftops must allow water to flow toward drainage points instead of collecting on the surface. By shaping the cement and sand layer correctly, water can easily move away from the tiles, protecting the structure and preventing water damage over time. As the cement and sand layer is applied and leveled, attention is given to compaction and surface finishing. Compacting the mixture helps increase its strength and durability. A smooth but slightly textured finish is often preferred because it improves the adhesion of tile adhesive or mortar used later during tile installation. After the leveling process is complete, the surface should be allowed to cure properly. Curing helps the cement gain strength and prevents cracks from forming. Depending on weather conditions, this stage may take some time, but it is essential for achieving the best results. Patience during curing ensures the base becomes solid and ready for the next stage of construction. This preparation method is widely used by professional tile installers because it provides a reliable foundation for ceramic tiles, marble slabs, terrazzo, or other finishing materials. Whether you are working on a rooftop terrace, balcony, or outdoor floor, preparing the surface with cement and sand is a proven technique that improves the quality and durability of the final installation. In this video, you will see the entire process in detail, from preparing the surface to mixing the materials and leveling the rooftop floor. The goal is to share practical knowledge and professional tips that can help both beginners and experienced workers improve their tiling results. If you work in construction, tile installation, or masonry, learning how to properly prepare a rooftop floor is an essential skill. A strong base not only makes the installation easier but also ensures. Another important step in preparing a roof floor with cement and sand is ensuring that the base layer is evenly distributed across the entire surface. Uneven areas can cause major problems during tile installation, including gaps, weak adhesion, and unstable tiles. For this reason, professionals always take their time to spread the cement and sand mixture carefully and check the level of the surface using straight edges or leveling tools. When working on rooftop floors, controlling the thickness of the cement and sand layer is also essential. If the layer is too thin, it may not provide enough strength to support the tiles and withstand long-term use. On the other hand, if it is too thick, it can lead to cracking or unnecessary weight on the structure. Finding the right balance is the key to achieving a durable and reliable base. Compacting the cement and sand mixture is another technique used by professionals. By pressing and smoothing the mixture firmly, air gaps are reduced and the material becomes stronger and more stable. This step improves the bonding strength between the rooftop surface and the new layer of mortar, which ultimately helps the tiles remain firmly in place. It is also very important to maintain proper moisture control during the preparation process. Cement requires the correct amount of water to activate the bonding process and achieve optimal strength. Too much water can weaken the mixture, while too little water can make it difficult to spread and compact properly. Skilled workers know how to adjust the water level to achieve the perfect consistency. As the surface begins to take shape, the installer focuses on achieving a smooth and consistent finish. This finishing stage is not just about appearance, it also prepares the surface for the next phase of tile installation. A well-finished base allows tile adhesive or mortar to spread evenly, improving the final alignment and stability of the tiles. Drainage planning is another critical element when preparing rooftop floors. Since rooftops are exposed to rainwater, the floor must be designed with a slight slope that directs water toward drainage points. Without proper slope, water can collect on the surface, leading to long-term structural problems, water infiltration, and tile damage. Creating this slope during the cement and sand preparation stage ensures that the roof remains functional and protected. Professional tile installers understand that the success of a tile project begins long before the tiles are placed. The quality of the base layer determines the durability, stability, and visual result of the final installation. A strong cement and sand foundation helps prevent common issues such as hollow tiles, cracks, uneven joints, or tile movement. After completing the preparation process, the surface should be allowed to cure naturally. During curing, the cement gradually gains strength and becomes more resistant to pressure and environmental conditions. Proper curing is essential for ensuring that the base layer can support the weight and stress of the tile installation that will follow. This method of preparing rooftop floors with cement and sand is widely used in construction projects around the world. It is a reliable technique that combines simplicity with effectiveness, making it suitable for both small residential projects and large construction sites. With the right tools, materials, and attention to detail, anyone can achieve professional results. By watching this video, you will gain practical knowledge about how professionals prepare rooftop surfaces before installing tiles. These techniques are valuable for tile installers, masons, construction workers, and anyone interested in learning more about high-quality building practices. If you found this video helpful, make sure to support the channel by liking the video, sharing it with others. In many construction projects, the preparation stage is often underestimated, but experienced professionals know that it is the foundation of every successful tile installation. A well-prepared roof floor using cement and sand creates a strong and stable base that allows tiles to remain perfectly aligned and securely bonded for many years. This preparation step reduces the risk of future repairs and helps maintain the beauty and functionality of the finished surface. Another advantage of preparing a rooftop floor with cement and sand is that it allows installers to correct any imperfections in the original structure. Roof surfaces are rarely perfectly level when they are first constructed. Small dips, bumps, or uneven areas can create problems during finishing work. By applying a cement and sand layer, these irregularities can be corrected, creating a smooth and uniform surface ready for tiling. During this process, careful attention must also be given to the edges and corners of the rooftop floor. These areas are often the most difficult to level, but they are extremely important for achieving a clean and professional finish. Properly shaping the edges ensures that the tiles will fit neatly and that the final appearance of the installation will look precise and well crafted. The use of the correct tools also plays a major role in achieving high-quality results. Professional installers typically use trowels, floats, straight edges, and leveling tools to control the thickness and smoothness of the cement layer. These tools allow them to spread the mixture evenly and check that the surface remains level across the entire roof area. Working methodically across the rooftop is another key technique used by professionals. Instead of spreading the mixture randomly, the installer usually works section by section. This organized approach ensures that every part of the roof receives the same attention and quality of preparation. It also helps maintain consistency throughout the entire surface. Weather conditions can also influence the preparation process. High temperatures can cause cement to dry too quickly, while cold or humid conditions may slow down the curing process. Experienced workers adjust their technique depending on the environment, ensuring that the cement and sand mixture performs correctly regardless of weather conditions. Once the rooftop floor has been properly prepared and leveled, it becomes the perfect base for many types of surface finishes. Ceramic tiles, porcelain tiles, marble, granite, and terrazzo can all be installed on top of a well-prepared cement and sand screed. Because the base is strong and stable,